morning, dear smarts. We are in sixth chapter. This is the last exercise. Here in the last exercise, finite and infinite sets. Finite and infinite sets. Know the concept. What is finite set? Finite set means members in your family is the countable set of finite set, and 10th class boys in our school, set of 10th boys, it's a countable finite set, and some first class girls finite set, people in our village or India finite set. The countable infinite set means the set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers w equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. This is infinite set. Set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Infinite set. Stars in the sky infinite set. So this is infinite sets. Now I am going to explain some topics. These are the big questions. State which of the following sets are following sets are finite or infinite? Finite or infinite? Here in the first one, set x such that x belong in and x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we write it is in the set builder form. We write in raster form. Here x belong in and x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. X square minus x square minus multiply this x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. X square, take x common, of course we solve this. Here x square minus, or else what is the answer here? X minus 1 into x minus 2, 0. X minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to 1 or x equal to 2. That's it. X equal to 1 or x equal to 2. Here x such that x belong in and x equal to. This equal to set x equal to 1 and 2. 1, 2 elements. So this is finite set. Finite set. Okay. Next. Second, x such that x belong in and x square minus 4. X square minus 4. X square minus 4. Here x square equal to 4 and x square equal to 4. X equal to 4 means this is set of minus 2 plus 2 because x square equal to 4, x equal to root 4 plus or minus 2, plus 2 minus 2. This is finite set. Finite set. Third one, x such that x belong n and 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x equal to 2. X equal to 2 by 2. 1. X equal to 1. This is also finite set. X equal to 1. This is finite. Finite set. Next, fourth one. X such that x belong n. X is a prime. X is a prime. X is a prime. X is a prime means x belong n, x is a prime. This is equal to set of prime numbers from beginning on. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. It is infinity because of x belong n. So it is infinite set. Infinite set. Okay, copy down. Exercise 2.4. State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. State which of which are not. Empty and which are not. The first one, the set of lines passing through a point. Passing through a point. Passing through a point. Set of lines passing through a point. It is, for example, it's a point. Set of lines. One line. This is one line. Another line. Next. There are so many infinite lines we can draw. We can draw through a point. Infinite lines we can draw through a point. Is it empty? No. It is. State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. The set of lines passing through a point is not empty. Not empty set. Not empty set. Not empty set. Next. Set of odd natural numbers. Second one. set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers. What are odd natural numbers actually? Set of odd natural numbers equal to set of odd natural numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Odd natural numbers. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means is the remainder 0. Is there any odd natural number divisible by 2? No. It is empty set. Empty set. Empty set. There are no like that. Empty set. Okay. Like here, the same third one. X such that X is a natural number. Natural number. X less than 5 and X greater than 7. X less than 5 and X greater than 7. Here X is a natural number, X less than 5 and X greater than 7. Is there any set? This is equal to X less than 5. X is a natural number, X less than 5 and X greater than 7. X less than 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1. And X greater than 7. X less than, X is a natural number, X less than 5. That time, what type of natural number is it? X less than 5. 4, 3, 2, 1 actually. X greater than 7, 8, 9. Is there any number to satisfy this condition? No. There is no number satisfy this condition. Empty set. Empty set. It is empty set. Copy it down. Are infinite, which sets are finite or infinite. Okay. The set of months in a year. Very simple. The set of months in a year. The set of months in a year is finite. We can count that. Finite set. Next, set next one, set of 1, 2, 3, etc. 100 is finite. The set of prime numbers smaller than 100, smaller than 99, it's also finite. State whether each of the following sets is finite or infinite. Third one, the set of letters in the English alphabet. The set of letters in the English alphabet, yes, we can count that. 26. Let us A, B, C, D. Finite. The set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis, it's infinite. The set of numbers which are multiples of 5, it's infinite. The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0, is also infinite. So children, practice yourself through your textbook, copy down. Okay. Next, I am going to explain some topics. It's a new formula. The relation between n of a, intersection n of a and b. Relation between, it's a new formula. N of a intersection b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. Or else, if n of a union b minus n of a union b sent to LHS, this is n of a union b plus n of a union b, n of a plus n of b. If plus n of a intersection b sent to RHS, it is n of minus n of a intersection b. That's also same as n of a intersection b if you require, n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b, the formula. And n of a union b if you require, n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection. For example, if n of a, the number of elements, n of a 5, n of b 4, n of a intersection b equal to 2. Find n of a union b. Find n of a union b. Now, take the formula. N of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. N of a intersection b. It's a formula. Substitute. What is n of a? 5 plus n of b 4 minus n of a intersection b 2. 5 plus 4 9 minus 2. This is 7. N of a union b 7. Okay. Now another one. If n of a 7, n of b 5, n of a union b equal to 8, find n of a intersection b. N of a intersection b. Now, write the formula. N of a intersection b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a union b. Okay, substitute. N of a what? 7 plus n of b what? 5. N of a union b 8 minus 7 plus 5 12 minus 8. This is 4. N of a intersection b 4. That's it. Copy down. N of A, N of B, N of A union B, N of A intersection B. There are 4. Among these 4, if any 3 given, we will find other 4th one. We will find N of A 4, N of A intersection B 2, N of A union B 5. Find N of B. N of B. Now Now write the formula. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now substitute. N of A union B 5, N of A 4, N of B we don't know, find out. Minus N of A intersection B 2. Now 4 plus 2 6, N of B. 6 plus N of B. Here 6 plus N of B equal to 5. Now N of B equal to N of B equal to 5. 5 minus 5 minus 6. Actually, it is better to take N of A for N of A minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Here 2. 4 minus 2 plus 2. 4 minus 2 plus 2. 2 plus N of B. This is 2 plus N of B equal to 5. 2 plus N of B. N of B equal to 5 minus 2. Sorry, 5 minus 2, 3. N of B equal to, that's it. Now, for HW, if N of A equal to N of A equal to 5, N of B equal to 4, and N of A intersection B equal to 2, find N of A union B. Okay, that's one. 2. If N of A 8, N of B 6, N of A union B equal to 12, find N of A intersection B. Next, if N of A equal to 6, N of B equal to N of B equal to 4, N of B, N of A intersection B, N of A intersection B equal to 2, N of A union B equal to N of A union B equal to 8, find N of B, N of B. Okay, solve these three. Have you understood? So next day we will start another chapter. Keep practicing some more problems in this chapter. If you have any doubts, ask me in next class or send to my WhatsApp number your doubts, and I am going to clear. Have a nice time.